Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the Hathaspace Smart True HEPA air purifier. Hadn't seen too many reviews on it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just kind of based off my experience and let you know what I thought about it. Should mention real quick, I did find a pretty good deal on this actually. I'll put a link below to that in the description so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So I'll tell you right off the get-go, in my opinion, for all my research and experience with this unit, for the money, there's not a better HEPA filter out there. And I'm talking about a true HEPA filter. This does come with a true HEPA filter, and just to give you a quick education on that, it doesn't matter if you spend on a cheaper one like this one or $1,000 unit. If it says true HEPA filter like this one does, it uses the exact same filters inside. It's not going to filter any better by spending any more money. So to me, that's why you should end up with something like this. It's not worth it to spend all that extra money and you're getting the same amount of filtration. A true HEPA filter still captures 99.97% of all particles, and it goes down to that 0.3 micron level, which is kind of the sweet spot. But a few reasons why I like this one. One, obviously, is the price. But one nice thing that I was kind of surprised about this one, that most of these cheaper units that I've used or seen in the past, they're usually like loud or annoying. This one is very, very quiet actually. The fan itself you can barely even hear running unless you're a good 3 feet away from the unit. Another thing I like about this one too is it's completely automatic. It has a built-in particle sensor on it. It senses the air quality automatically and displays it in red, green, or blue on there. That shows you your air quality, and it'll automatically turn the fan up or down to match that. So 99% of the time it runs on the lowest just to maintain the air in your home. But when you first turn it on, it'll probably be in the red for about 20 minutes while it's cleaning the air in the entire room. Now, about the room size, this will do a really, really large size room. Don't let them kind of fool you by saying it'll do like a 350 square foot room. It will do a much larger room than that. It just won't recycle the air as fast. For example, it does a 350 square foot room. It will recycle the entire air in the room twice an hour. You really don't need twice an hour of cleaning. I mean, unless you live in outside in a swamp, you really don't need to have your air cleaned that quickly. So it can do like a 4 times that size room and only clean the air 1 time every 4 hours or something like that, but it still works just as good. So anyway, if you're worried about room size, don't be. You can absolutely use this in a great room with a kitchen attached, and it'll clean the whole room, if not the whole house. So don't let that be a concern. But yeah, like I said, I really like this thing. Highly recommend it. Nice and quiet and works great. And for the money, in my opinion, there's not a better one out there. So yeah, if you have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.